Hey guys, so I already got home from school and I did went to some stores. And yeah, right now I am about to eat Chipotle. I just got the normal bowl with chicken. I got the roll and stuff, so yeah. After school, I decided to go shopping with my grandma and I got a few things. And yeah, I thought I would do a haul for you guys, so let's start. The first thing that I got was this shirt and I thought it was really nice, and I really like this since I really want to start buying more t-shirts so I can wear for school. It's like more comfortable clothes. The second thing was these sweatpants. I thought they were so cute, look guys. And lastly, I got some Crocs. I got them from Famous Footwear. So they look like this. Oops, they look like this. And I didn't know they sell them only in one size. They don't have half sizes to add. I guess they probably don't have it since Crocs tend to be wide and they tend to be a little bigger on you. So yeah, really comfy. Gonna be wearing them a lot for school, that's for sure. And yeah guys, that is pretty much all.
I don't think I'm gonna answer that in a while.
Some of us just have to move on to play.
Nice. Let's go. This is a nice bed. How pretty. with cheese on top, and this is honey. Bien, un cafecito. I'm gonna have to use this one, which is a lighter shade than I usually go for, but I just ran out of the one that I usually use, so I'll have to use this one for today. Oh well.
In dim sums.